Hi, I'm Marie and this is my black tulip watercolour tutorial. Here I'm going to show you how I build up the depth of tone across the flower by using only one colour. So just using the same colour throughout, I have to work really hard on graduating my tonal values to create real depth and three-dimensionality in my image. I use quite a thick consistency of my mix to build up the layers on the darkest and shadow areas of the petals, all the time being really careful to retain the lighter areas so that I've got that contrast between light and dark. And this is what really creates the depth and movement in my petals. I am painting wet into wet, although there is not a lot of water on my surface. I just want to keep the surface damp so that when I add the thicker areas of paint, I can softly blend the edges into the lighter areas without spreading the paint out too much. This way I get lovely smooth transitions between the tonal variation, but I also manage to keep complete control of where my paint goes and therefore retain the lighter areas and highlights. I also don't want to add too much water on top of a dry layer, as I have to be careful not to disturb the layers underneath. This is a really fun way to experiment with tonal values and graduating them from their lightest to their very darkest tone. I can also add in details such as little folds or veins in the same way, painting them onto a slightly damp surface and then just helping them to soften in as well. And then gradually the whole flower starts to take shape as you build up these layers and add in the details as you go. You can paint the whole Black Iris tutorial inside the Members Club, where I have 80 plus step-by-step watercolour tutorials and will take you through every element of painting each one. The link is below, and there is also a link to a free tutorial if you'd like to give this style of painting a go. Please remember to like and subscribe if you'd like to see more upcoming tips and technique videos. So enjoy watching the rest of this video. Goodbye for now, and I'll see you for the next one.